guys, welcome to Calbo Brothers channel. Yes, my name is Ariel, and today we'll be talking about snowboarding. Since a lot of you guys probably want to try winter sport. Since we live in Canada, our winter is longer, so let's enjoy our weather here in Canada. So there's snowboarding, skiing, jet skiing, so bunch of other sport. But today, let's talk about snowboarding. By the way, guys, this video is geared towards the beginners. So all you advanced people out there, this is not probably for you. So you already know what you're doing. But if you have any comment that want to add, all the advanced people, please feel free to comment below. Again, this is not for advanced. This is for beginner, and so any advice will help. So if you're thinking of snowboarding, first question that comes up, what gears do I need? Right? A lot of questions, either to rent or buy. Well, it's an expensive hobby, but there's a tips and tricks to make it more affordable. But I suggest, if you're a beginner, just rent your gear, like the board, the bindings, and the boots. It's really helpful because you can test out different kinds of board, boots, and binding. Then you decide that if you like and ready to invest in your gear, I highly recommend that you first invest on all the gears that you actually wear on your body. A most common complaint are, they are cold or they are very uncomfortable. So what gears do we need? Gears that you need: snow coat, snow pants, gloves, helmet, goggles, and last is the boots. Boots is so important. You need to be comfortable. If you are uncomfortable, you will be uncomfortable snowboarding. And a lot of people, when they get uncomfortable, then that's it, done. And of course, the snowboard. So, snow coat. This one, this is my favorite one. It's from Grenade, and super warm. For a snow coat, make sure it's a powder. It has a powder skirt. When I'm talking about skirt, make sure you look for this one. Like this one, it goes around your waist and it keeps the powder away. That keeps you dry, and for sure it helps a lot. And for a snow pants, for the snow pants, not a ski pants. They have a gaiter to go on top of the boots to keep your snow out, keep your feet dry. So gaiter, this is the gaiter right here. This is the one that goes around your boots. Okay? So snow pants, a little bit buggy, a little bit loose. Make sure we have the helmet or the brain bucket. Choose the helmet that fits properly. And goggles. Goggles, we have different kind of goggles that you can buy. This one, I use this one when it's sunny. This one for sunny, partly cloudy, and cloudy. So it depends what condition. Yeah, there's lots of selection. And mittens, gloves. Mittens little bit warmer. Gloves is textile, you can do more. So those are the one. And we have the boots that you just pull it on the side, lace. And we have the one that you can just turn, right? They call this boa, right? We have this board. So this is the board, this is the bindings. Okay, and yeah, it's right there. with that, let's go. Let's go hit the hill. And this time, we're going to Nakiska.
Do we need Red Bull? I think we need the yellow one. Just one for you, one for me. It's the bigger size or that one. Then we need to buy coffee as well. Hi! Can I get two large block, one sugar, and then plain bagel with toasted with butter and cheese in it. Cheddar, yeah, cheddar cheese. What do you want?
Probably just a coffee, man.
That's it for now. Thank you. That's everything. Yeah.
As we continue our journey, welcome to Kananaskis, Alberta.
Yeah, so if you're going snowboarding here in Kananaskis, you gotta have to buy your parking pass.
So you just need to give them your license plate number, and that's it. Come on, let's check it
Yeah,
out.
so I have a question about because about 2 years ago we don't have to pay for the parkings, right? So what's that rules now that being implemented? I'm not against with it, but we just want to know because
If you're here, so we're just like Park Canada. If you're driving through and not stopping, you don't need a pass.
that's right.
If you're going to stop, go wandering around, go pee, have a coffee, blah, 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 you got a pass or it's 180 bucks.
All right.
So you just need to register your license plate and $15 for a day and $90 for a yearly pass. Take note, doesn't matter what time you get here, it expired at 12 a.m. It's not a 24-hour pass. And by purchasing a pass, you're helping keep this special part of Alberta beautiful and protected for more generation to come.
Thank you for the wonderful information. Anyway, I took one of the stickers. It's for free. So there's a lot of information that we should know when you're coming in here, because this is a place where you can find a lot of bears. And yeah, just be aware. Damn, it's cold today.
Yeah, a
Can you
bit
feel
chilly.
it?
A little bit chilly right now.
Ah,
We're ready to go.
yes, sir. Holy cow, what are we thinking, bro? Why are we here?
What's the temperature right now, Rex?
I think it's minus 20, if I'm not
Minus 20.
mistaken. Yeah.
And it's frozen.
Whew.
I might need a bandana just to cover my face.
Oh, I thought you said tandana.
Tanda na. Yeah, that too.
There you go.
Ready to go.
Are you good to go?
We're ready to go.
I haven't been back to the mountain since I got my injury last year.
Yeah, so
So this will be my first
should we
one.
hit the bunny hill?
I don't know,
We
but
need practice.
there you go. Oh shit, I lost my hair. Oh damn, wala kang buhok. I thought you have hair.